Hey guys, today I'm doing two microwave meals, sweet potato and spinach quiche. I'm poking the sweet potato with fork multiple times all around. Of course, make sure you wash your sweet potatoes. Now, take a damp paper towel, wrap it around, and microwave for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, you take it out and let it cool. So now I'm going to work my bacon. I got two bacons, cover it with paper towel, microwave for a minute and a half. Make sure it's cooked. Mine is cooked. And now I'm just cutting them in small pieces.
And he will strengthen you and protect you from the evil one. Deuteronomy 31:6. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or terrified because of them, for the Lord your God goes with you. He will.
I'm cutting the top part and remove the inside of the sweet potato.
11. Discretion will protect you, and understanding will guard you. Proverbs 4:6. Do not forsake wisdom, and she will protect you. Love her, and she will watch over you.
Okay, now I'm going to mix the sweet potato and bacon together.
Psalm 5:11. But let all who take refuge in you be glad. Let them ever sing for joy. Spread your protection over them, that those who love your name may rejoice in you. Psalm 21. May the Lord answer you when you are in distress. May the name of the God of Jacob protect you.
Okay, now I'm going to restuff the potato. And I just added just a splash of milk. I'm going to add more bacon. That's up to you. Adding cheddar cheese. Microwave for 30 seconds. Garnish with scallion. That's up to you if you want. Guys, let me tell you, it tastes so good. Give it a try. Thanks, guys, for watching. Okay, now the next one is spinach quiche. Microwave. So I have like a fresh 1 cup spinach. I'm cutting in small pieces. I'm going to microwave. Just add.
A person may have many troubles, but the Lord delivers him from them all. Psalm 46:1. God is our refuge and strength.
I'm adding 2 tablespoons of water. I'm going to microwave for a minute. Then drain the water. Add 1 egg. Quarter cup milk. Half a cup cheddar cheese. Salt and pepper to your taste. Mix well. Guys, let me tell you, I already tried this. It tastes so good. I highly suggest you guys to try it and let me know if you like it or not. Okay, it looks like it's well combined. I'm going to microwave for 3 minutes. Okay, let's see how, oh yeah, it's cooked, you can tell. Let it cool before you take a bite. Guys, again, I'm telling you, do give a try. It's quick. It takes like what, 3 to 4 minutes to make quiche. Give a try. Thanks, guys, again for watching.